Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am teacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about what kind of food we have to consume, what kind of food we have to eat. On the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I am going to conduct a lecture. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by S. Bhakti Vedanta Sila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense pure book, the science and humanity. And I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into chapter number 17. Lord Krishna actually mentioned three kind of the food we have to consume because it depends upon the mode of material nature, sattva, rajas and tamo guna. If a particular person has a sattva guna, then particular person would prefer the special kind of food which actually very dear to the people who are actually sattva guni. And similarly with rajogun and also tamogun. Here Krishna said, Aharasya Satvapi Sarvasya Trivido Bhavati Priya. Sarvasi Trivido Bhavati Priya. Verse number 7, chapter number 17, the division of the faith. In this chapter, Lord Krishna actually mentioned the three kind of food and three kind of division of faith. Here Krishna said, Aharasya Sarvasya Trivido Bhavati Priya. Yagyastha Prasthana Dana Tesa Bheda Mimi Shrunuha. Even the food of each person prefer each of the three kind. Three kind of foods are there. And according to the three mode of the material nature, according to the Rajas, Tamas and Sattva gunas, the same is true of sacrifice, austerities and also charity. And no, now here the distinction between them. Now Lord Krishna actually explained about what kind of food is very pure to Sattva Guni, Rajoguni and also Tamoguni. Here Krishna said, Ayu Sattva Bala Raho Arogya Sukha Priti Vivardhanaha Rasasya Stigna Dasya Stira Hradaya Ahara Satvikaha Priyaha. What kind of food is very dear to the person who is very truth, the person who is very pure, the person who is always following the truth और सत्व गुणी व्यक्ति को किस प्रकार का भोजन प्रिय होता है। यहाँ पे कृष्णा कहते हैं आयु सत्व बल बल आरोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धना बल आरोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धना रसस्य स्निग्धता स्थिर हृदय आहारस्य सात्विक प्रिय द फूड डियर टू दोज इन द मोड ऑफ गुडनेस increase the duration of life. Sattva Guni, the particular person who has Sattva Guna, always truthfulness, that particular person would like the food which actually increase the duration of life. The food which actually increase the duration of life, purity of one existence and give the strength, health, happiness and satisfaction. Such a food are juicy, fatty, wholesome and also pleasing to the heart. Such a food are juicy, fatty, wholesome and also pleasing to the heart. The particular food which has a quality to pleasing to the heart, juicy, fatty, wholesome, that particular food is very dear to the person who has a sattva guna. काटम व मलम व वणा श्रुता शुणया श्री श्री तीक्ष्णु विद्राहीन आहार रजस्य श्रेष्ठ दुख शोक कामदा प्रदाह दुख शोक कामदा प्रदाह. Food are too bitter. The food are too bitter, too sour, too salty, hot, pungent and dry, burning are dear to those mode of the passion. The particular person who has a rajoguna, that particular person would like to eat bitter food, too sour, salty, hot, pungent, dry and also burning. That particular person would like to have a food like this. The qualities, such a food cause the distress, miseries and also disease. That particular person would be the cause of distress, depression, the miseries and also disease. यात तामह यात यामह गत रस्य पृथि प्रयुषित गतः उच्चिष्टम अपि चमेध्याम भोजनम तमस प्रियम. What kind of food is very dear to tamoguna व्यक्ति? The food prepared more than the 3 hours before being eaten. The food, we don't have to eat a food before three hours of being prepared. Food prepared, we don't have to eat that food which actually prepared before 3 hours. The food prepared more than 3 hours before being eaten. The food that is tasteless, decomposed and putrid, and food consists of the remnant and untouchable things is dear to those of the mode of the darkness. The particular person who is in the darkness and mode of ignorance, that particular person always like to have this kind of food. Mode of the goodness would like to eat that food which actually increase the duration of the life, juicy, fatty and wholesome. The mode of the passion would like to have a food like dry, pungent, hot, too much salty, too much too sour, bitter, only, and also which actually lead toward the distress, miseries, and also disease. So this kind of the type of food actually mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So three kind of the food according to the mode of the material natures, Rajas, Tamas and Sattva Guna. If you are in a Rajogun, then you have to eat the food like a Rajogun. You have to decide which gun, which mode of the material nature you are in, whether you are in a Rajoguna, Sattva Guna or Tamo Guna. So I hope you all can understand, and what kind of food you have to eat is depend upon the mode of the material nature, Rajas, Tamas and Sattva Gunas. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe.